Hello. Today, we're going to think about the future of autonomous driving technology. We'll explore how the technologies we've learned about might evolve and the challenges they might face. In the future, we might see self-driving cars everywhere. Can you imagine fully autonomous cars driving through our cities? What do you think that would look like? As autonomous driving technology advances, it could change how traffic flows. Maybe we'll have fewer traffic lights and less congestion. What changes would you like to see happen? With more autonomous cars on the roads, security becomes very important. Why do you think security is important? What could happen if a car was hacked? Driving can be tough in rain or snow when the roads are slippery, even for autonomous cars. What kind of technology do you think is needed for self-driving cars to handle these conditions? As more autonomous vehicles hit the roads, we'll need new rules and laws. For example, if there's an accident, who should be responsible? What problems can you think of? If autonomous trucks become common, what do you think will happen to truck drivers' jobs? Every new technology brings changes, some good and some challenging, right? The future of autonomous driving technology holds many possibilities, but there are also many challenges to solve. Let's not forget what we learned today and think about how we can engage with future technologies. See you next time. Thank you.